Hi, this is a USB C headphones. This comes in a good packing and you can see all the details on the back. So under this packing there is a pouch for storage of this headphone, and you can see the quality of the pouch is nice and handy. You can easily put in the headphones and use it. And this comes with the extra earbuds that you can replace if those are the dirty ones. So there are like the two pairs. And you can see it here is like in the microphone that there is the magnetic these headphones are like the magnet in the back, so it can be easily stick to each other. The cable and the wire is good, and there is a volume control button on its wire cable itself. So you can see that this is a USB port that you can put in. So I'm just trying to put it on the phone with the USB C connector, and here you can see that the phone recognizes the headphone very easily, no issues. I will not be able to show you the sound quality, but of course I will just play it and then see how it feels and good. So I am just trying to put on something on the YouTube, and I'm not able to show it here, but the sound quality is really good. It's a nice product.